This video will show you how to access the Finite Math class on WebAssign and how to get around on the website. So when you log in onto WebAssign, following the instructions in the email or on Blackboard that you see there, you will of course have to pay for access to the class and for the online textbook, which will save you a lot of money instead of having to buy the physical textbook. Once you have access to the class, you'll notice that your screen will look something like this. I have the student view pulled up so that my screen should look a lot like yours, if not exactly like yours. You'll notice that you have a box here called My Assignments. You're going to look every week to see what your current assignments are. Now, in week 1, you have an optional assignment, which covers sections 1.1 through 1.4. If you take that, do that assignment, which is like a quiz, it will be completely for bonus points. And you can take it, retake it several times. You'll notice the week 2 assignment is a lot like the week 1 assignment. Now, you'll also notice it's not due until the end of week 2. Likewise, the quiz, which is almost exactly like the week 2 assignment, which is almost exactly like the week 1 assignment. The week 2 assignment is also due at the end of week 2. Now, what you're going to want to do before you complete these assignments and take these quizzes is to look at the textbook. And the way you're going to do that is go up to the menu where it says My eBooks. You're going to left click on that and then click on Finite Mathematics for Managing Your Life and Social Science. That's our book. So when you click on that, it's going to pull up the online version of the textbook, and the table of contents is listed on the left. You're going to want to go in week 1 to chapter 1, and then these are all the sections that we're covering. You want to read the text. So for instance, 1.1 is part of this week's reading, so you want to read all of section 1.1 and spend time looking at the examples. But of course, you have other resources besides simply the textbook. You're really going to find it helpful to use the accompanying videos. So what you're going to do is go to the media button, which is up here at the top left, click on that, and it's going to give you access to several videos for each chapter to show you how to do what the text is talking about. So for instance, in chapter 1, if I click on that menu, I see all kinds of examples, and we'll just click on the first one here, to plot points on the rectangular coordinate system. When I click on that, you see that a video pops up, so I'm going to click play.
Quite often during our discussions throughout this course, we're going to be talking about graphing, and you may recall that graphing is accomplished on a plane that is called a rectangular coordinate system, or perhaps the Cartesian plane.
So that gives you an idea of what the video will be like. You can also click on this view transcript link, and it will give you a text version of everything that the speaker says. So this is our class, our textbook. This is how you're going to do your weekly assignments. Of course, if you have questions, and you will, you need to contact me. Email me and let me know what you're struggling with. I'll try to point you towards the right place in the book or the right video. And if all else fails, I'll be glad to construct my own video to show you how to do various problems. You will have the opportunity with each assignment to request an extension. I want to discourage you from requesting extensions. I don't want you to get behind. If there's some kind of emergency, it's fine to request an extension, and you can do that through WebAssign. I prefer that you email me and ask me, because WebAssign won't notify me about that request for an extension, and it might be that I miss it for a day or two. But if you email me, I'll know immediately. So again, if you have questions, please email me. I look forward to going through Finite Math with you. I think it'll be an enjoyable experience, and work hard, and I know that you'll pass. Have a blessed week.